So in this video we will learn about upload multiple images to the Firebase storage. In the previous video we learned about how to upload single image to the Firebase storage. In order to understand, let's just get to the coding section. First thing first, we need to create a function into the node repository. This time we will use multiple files, multiple, yes, okay. We need to pass list of URIs, then return also list of URI. That is pretty much regarding node repository. Now coming to the implementation part, upload multiple images. I will simply copy that function, the code, sorry, and paste it there. Now as if you see, we are passing list of URIs. So what just we do is, in that case we need to return list of URIs as well, and I will use async block, not just file URIs. And so I will just map that list into the async blocks, then I will call await all. Let's just try it, then we'll explain a bit better. So what I just did is actually to map that file URI list of URIs into the async blocks, then I just call await all. What it will just do is like it will map the whole list into the async blocks, and it will, like, for example, if I just in a C 1 2 3 4, so we have, let's suppose, 4 URIs in the file URI. It will create 4 async blocks, like mapping that function. And we, if you notice, in every async block we are uploading file and calling await, then downloading URL and calling await. So that is basically doing is like first it will upload the first image and it will wait until it's uploaded and downloaded the URL, then it will goes to the second async block and will upload the image and will wait, then will go to the third, and so on. So once it uploaded all the image, and then it will return a list of URIs. So that is pretty much regarding to uploading multiple images. And let's just go to the view model. We'll call that function there, multiple files list URI and list URI. Okay, upload multiple images. So that is pretty much regarding to the view model. Now if I go to the node detail and where we call that function, that's there. This time we will call on upload multiple file, and we'll just remove that. So in the image URIs, we know that we will have a list of URIs which we picked or selected from the gallery. So we are passing that list of URIs to this function. In the callback we will get the list of URIs, like once it uploaded. So in the downloaded URL it will give us one by one URI and will return as a list of URIs. So that is pretty much regarding to the list of URIs. Let me just run the application and to see if it's working or not, and let's just click on the done. If you notice in the background send requests, it's mean like uploading part is actually happening. Node has been created. Okay, if I go to the Firebase cloud store, this time we will see which, okay, yeah, upload images, upload multiple images. If you see, we have a list of URLs, like 3 URLs. We uploaded 3 different images. If I go to the storage, okay, so that is actually a problem. Currently we are having a single image, and why is that? We need to check the reference. We have something wrong with the reference. We'll check the reference. We are actually giving a root directory to that reference. So what we are doing a wrong thing is to using that reference for the each file. We need to change the reference for every file as a unique reference, so that it doesn't overwrite the new image at the place of old image. In that case, what I will do is child, and I will use, let's suppose, URI, not just, no, that is actually, let's just go to the multiple upload images. In that case, child, and this time image last path segment. If that is not happening, then use just system.current millisecond. Run the application to see if we have multiple images in the Firebase storage or not. Okay, this time, okay, testing, upload, we'll wait a bit. Now node is created. Let's just go to the Firebase storage. I will refresh. If you notice, this time we have a app directory, that because we just fixed the reference to each image URIs. Now you can notice like image this, like with different image number. That is because we are using the last path segment from the image, so that's why each file has a different last path segment. No, that was the reason, like previously we were seeing one image, even we uploaded three different images because our storage reference is not correct. You can just fix more the storage reference in order to, like we have in the constant what it's called, not image. What I will do is just call another function as a child before that last path segment, and if we run the application again and upload three different images again, this time it will create another directory, testing, blah blah blah. Okay, now if I refresh again, go to the app, if you see node, inside the node you will have two different images. So that is pretty much regarding to the storage reference, and we notice like why the images were not uploading correctly. That because of the storage reference or the path we were using same for each of the file, but this time we use a different reference for each file because it will represent a different image, not just using a single reference, and that will create a problem like overwriting the new images at the place of old images. So that is pretty much regarding to the upload multiple images to the Firebase storage, and we already learned that like how to upload single image and how to upload multiple image. I hope this video explained a better scenario. Now one thing I notice is that, for example, if I go back in to see all the nodes, if I go there I can't see the nodes anymore. That's because we haven't set the adapter well getting the nodes. Let's just go to the node detail section and to see where we calling that get nodes. I think that is not what we need, is add node. Okay, then yeah, if you remember we are passing that object from the node listing, and let's just see where we get that. Yeah, we getting there, and there we will yes, we'll call the that function adapter update list, or what we can do simply is like image URIs obj dot images and image URIs. Let's just run the application. This time we will see the images when we click on the node. This one, yeah, that is pretty much to the showing in images. What if I want to delete an image? And in that case, one thing is more, we have another bug. So if I remove any of the image, it should actually show the edit button icon as well. I want to upload that image. See, we can have now a single image right now. Okay, so the bug we notice is like if a user remove any of the function, in that case the editable icon should show. Okay, if, if I check that, yeah, we just need to, or what we can do is, let's suppose if are viewing nodes and remove any of the image, not just creating node, then in that case what we can do is binding edit perform click. Yes, we are just performing click, so it will trigger there and it will make the UI enable and also show and hide other of the views. Now if I go to upload image, and this time if I click on it, yeah, so that is pretty much regarding to that bug. We fix that. So overall we learn about how we upload files to the Firebase storage, and I just show you image. You can just upload other files as well. Same is the code for uploading the files. So we learn upload single image and upload multiple image. In the next video I will explain a bit regarding to the security rules for the Firebase storage. So that's it for this video.